What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to cut and split videos in Proc. So first thing that you want to do is you add your videos to your timeline. Now once your video has been added to the timeline, what you want to do is to move this little red icon right here to anywhere on the timeline that you want it to be cut. So let's say I want to cut it right here. I just click on it and move it anywhere in the section that I want it to be clipped. So let's say I want to split it right here. I click on this icon right here and it being split. So split. So as you can see right here, now this file has been split. What I can do, I can delete this section. Click on this section right here and I can delete it if I don't want that section on my video. Also, whenever I split my videos, I can also drag this out back to get back the remaining file in which I split it to. So this is basically very simple. This is how you split videos on the timeline by using Proc. Now there are two ways in which you can split videos on the timeline. So you can use the split right icon right here, or you can split all. Now when you're using split all, basically if you are splitting multiple effects such as track effects, so for example if I have a different video right here and I want to split all of these together, I can use the split all feature. So let's say I want to split these two files right here together. What I can do is click on split all, and both of these files, guys, as you can see right here, is split.